Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see the topic estimation for class 6th. So as you can see our topic name is estimation. So firstly we will see what does estimation say us. Estimation say is a rough calculation. A rough calculation for any quantity, for any number or for any value. Okay, so when we have the rough calculation of any quantity, number and value, that all thing is considered as estimation. Okay, like for the example, if on the number line if we have 0 to 10, okay, on the number line if we have 0 and 10, and in between 0 and 10 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So if I am putting here the flag on 3, okay, the flag on 3, on that time from where our flag is nearest, from 0 or from 10, okay, from where our flag is nearest. Okay, so for reaching the flag from 0 we need to take 1, 2, 3 step. So here in 3 step we can find flag, but when we are moving from 10 we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps to reach flag. So where we have the nearest one, the flag, where our flag is nearest, from where, from 0 our flag is nearest. So estimation for flag, okay, for flag, the nearest one number is 0. From 0 our flag is nearest, because in the 3 step we can easily reach flag from 0, but when we are moving from 10 we have to take 7 steps. That's why its nearest place is 0. One more example we will see. If we have numbers like 20 and 30, okay, so in between 20 and 30, for example, if on point 20 a girl is standing, and on point B, on point 30 a boy is standing, they both want to pluck flower, and flower pot is put it on here. Okay, this is for example, they both want to pluck flower, okay, from a pot, and on 20 girl is standing, and on 30 boy is standing. So we have to estimate who will pluck it first, okay, who will pluck it first and fast. So here we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 30. So you can simply see, when girl is moving from 20, she has to take 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Okay, in 4 step girl can pluck flower from flower pot. Okay, but when boy is moving for plucking the flower, he will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 step. So boy needed 6 step and girl needed 4 step. So who will pluck flower? Yes, girl, who is standing on the point 20, will pluck flower, and flower is standing on point 24. So this estimation can also be considered as rounded off. Okay, rounded off means we have to round off the figures. Like if we have 17, so 17 is coming in between 10 and 20. Okay, 17 is coming in between 10 and 20. So when we are looking from 10, it is 7 more than 10. Okay, 7 more than 10. It means the gap between 10 and 17 is 7. And gap between 17 and 20 is 3. Gap between 17 and 20 is 3. So our 17 is rounded to 20 because here it is less. The gap of 20 and 30 from 17 is less here as compared to 10. So our 17 will round it off to the 20. If we have 525, okay, so simply 525 is coming in between 500 and 600. You can simply see the gap between 500 and 525 is 25. And the gap between 525 and 600 is 75. Okay, where it is nearest or less is 25 or 75. Yes, the less gap between 500 and 525 is 525. So our 525 will rounded as 500. Okay, nearest gap we will choose. Now if we are looking for 39, 39 is coming in between 30 and 40. So the gap between 30 and 39 is 9. And the gap between 39 and 40 is 1. So where is less gap? Here we have less gap. So our 39 will round it off as a 40. Okay. One more example. If we have 45, okay. If we have 45, on that time you can simply see 45 is coming in between 40 and 50. The gap between 40 and 45 is 5 and the gap between 50 and 45 is 5. Now you can simply see our gap between 40 and 45 and 45 to 50 is same. Okay, same. So whom we will choose? We will always choose the greater one. Okay, we will always choose greater one. Because here 50 is greater than 40, always we will choose greater one, because from both places we can easily move to find the given number. Now what we seen estimation is the rough calculation of any value, number or quantity. Okay, its few example we already seen. Now we will see the estimate to the given places. Okay, in the question they given us some places and we have to estimate according to the places. As you can see, the first topic, estimating to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. It means which place we will see? We will see the 10th place. Okay, 10th place we will see. Here 9 is on the ones and 9 is on the tenths. So we have 99. It means simply we will see 99 is coming in between which two tens digit? 90 and 100. Okay, because after getting plus 1 we will get 100. So when we are looking 99 from 90, on that time we need to take 9 steps. And when we are looking from 100, we have to take only one step. So which step is nearest? Only one step is nearest. So our 99 will turn into 100 after estimating it to the tens. Same we will do for the next one. Next one is 41. 41 is coming in between 40 and 50. You can simply see 40 and 50 both are in the terms of tens. Okay. Now from 40 we have to take only one step, and from 50 we have to take 9 steps to get 41. So which step is the nearest? Yes, this one step is nearest, so 41 will change into 40 after estimating it to the tens place. Okay, so we will estimate 41 as 40. Okay, one more we will see. 64 is coming in between 60 and 70. When we are looking 64 from 60, we have to take 4 steps. Same when we are looking from 70, we have to take 6 steps. So where we will get in the last step 64? Yes, from 60 we can get 64 in the last steps. So our 64 is changed into 60 after estimating it to the tens place. Okay. Now when we have number in the form of on the places of ones, tens, hundred. Here also ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here also we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This kind of manner. In the question said we have to only estimate tens place. So tens place only 15 in this. Here we have tens place only 53. Here 36. So we will estimate only the circle. Okay, we will estimate only the circle, and the remaining one, that is 100, 1000 and 100, 1000 and 100, they all will remain same. Simply 15 is coming in between 10 and 20. So when we are looking from 10 to 20, 10 or 20, same gap they will give us. So always we will choose the greater one. So this time our 15 will changed into 20. Our 15 will changed into 20 because the gap is equal from both tens places. That's why always we will choose the greater one, and the hundreds too will remain as it is. Here 53 is coming in between 50 and 60. When we are looking from 50, we have to take only 3 steps, and from 60 we have to take 7 steps. So from where we will get in the easiest way, from where we will find 53 fast? Yes, we will find 53 fast from 50. So we will do the estimation of 53 as 50, and this 14 will comes as it is before 50. Now the last is 36. 36 is coming in between 30 and 40. When we are looking from 30, we have to take 6 steps to the 36. And when we are looking from 40, we have to take 4 steps to reach 36. So where we have the less steps? Yes, when we are seeing from the 40, we have less steps. So our 36 we will estimate as 40, and 29 will remain same. Okay. So here we completed the estimating to the nearest tens. Now the new topic is estimating to the nearest 100. Okay. This time we estimated till tens. Now we will estimate to the nearest hundreds. For that we will take 3 examples. We have to do the estimation to the nearest 100. So we have to see only 100 till 100 place. Okay, so here we have ones, then tens, then hundreds place. And we know in the 100 term, 841 is coming in between 800 and in between 900. In between 800 and 900 we got 841. So when we are moving from 800, we have to take 41 steps. How many steps we have to take? 41 steps. And when we are moving from 900, we have to take 59 steps to reach 841. Okay, so where we have to take less steps? Where we have to take less steps? Yes, here. In the 800, we have to take less steps to reach 841. So our 841 will change into 800 after estimating it to the 100 place. Now the next one is 9537. Okay, so our 7 is on the ones, 3 is on the tens, 5 is on the hundreds, and 9 is on the thousand. So we have to estimate only 100 place. So we will mark only 100. Okay. So here the circle we have to estimate. The 9 which is on the place of 1000, this will remain same. Simply you can see 537 is coming in between 500 and 600. Okay. So now for getting 37 from 500, we have to take 37 steps. And for getting 37, 537, we have to take how many steps? We have to take 53 steps from 600. So where we get the less step? Yes. Here, when we are moving from 500, there we will get the less steps. So our complete circle will change into 500. 537 will change into 500, and our 9 will remain same. Okay. So 9537 will change into 9500 after estimating it to the 100. Now the last one is simply here we have ones, tens, 100. We have to only estimate 730, and we know 730 is coming in between 700 and 800. So when we are moving from 700 to reach 730, we have to take only 30 steps, and from 800 we have to take 70 steps. So where we have the less steps? Yes, 30 step is less than 70, so we will choose 30 steps one, which is 700. So our 730 will change into 700 after estimating it to the 100 place, and the other value, which is 49, will remain same. So 49,700 is the answer after estimating 49,730 till 100 place. Now the last one is estimating to the nearest 1000. In this we will see the estimation to the nearest 1000. 3 examples we will see. If the first example is 1300, second one is 2570, and the last is 53552. Okay, we have to estimate till the 1000 place. So we will see. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, here also ones, tens, 100, 1000. You can simply see in the both first and in the second example we have the values till the 1000. Okay, in the last one we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, and the greatest value which is on the place of 10,000. This 5 is on the 10,000. Now we will do the first one. According to the 1000 places, 1300, 1300 is coming in between 1000 and 2000. We are doing the estimation of 1000, that's why we will see the 1000 places. When we are moving from 1000, we have to take 300 steps to reach 1300. And when we are moving from 2000, we have to take 700 steps. So where we will get the less one? Yes, we will get the less one here in 1000 case. So our 1300 will changed into 1000 after estimating it to the thousands place. Next one is 2570. Okay, how many thousand? 2000. So it is coming in between 2000 and 3000. So when we are moving from 2000 to get 2570, we have to take 570 steps. And when we are moving from 3000, we have to take only 430 steps. Only 430 steps we have to take to reach 2570. So we will move with the last step. Okay. So our 2570 will change into 3000 after estimating it to the 1000 places. Now the last one is 53,552. Okay, but its largest value is on the 10,000 place, so we will choose till the 1000 place, and the 1000 place is 3,552. Okay, now 3,552 is coming in between 3,000 and 4,000. Okay, so for getting 3,552 from 3,000, we have to take 552 steps. And when we are moving from 4,000 to get 3,552, we have to take only 448 steps. So here we got less steps to get 3,552. That's why our 3,552 will changed into 4,000, and the number that we left will comes as it is. So our answer is 54,000 after estimating 53,552 on 1000 place. Okay, so last thing in the estimation, that is the general rule for estimation. General rule means when we don't have any place value. Okay, like in the previous it said us you have to round off to the tens, 100 or 1000 or 10,000. If this kind of word we will not see in the question, on that time we will follow the general rule. General rule means rounding off to the greatest place. Okay, rounding off each factor to their greatest place. Okay, as here. So whenever we will get nothing in the question in the place value, on that time we will follow general rule of our estimation. On that time we will round off the greatest place. We will see some examples. If we have 19, if we have 47, okay, and one more we will see 512, and lastly we see 4,920. You can simply see here we have different values. Some are containing only tens places, some are containing 100 place, one is containing 1000 place. And they didn't say us that you have to identify anything to anywhere. So simply we will round off the greatest place. Okay, firstly we will see for the 19. 19 is coming in between 10 and 20 because its greatest place is tens. So we will round off it to the tens. You can simply see 19 is nearest to 20. So our 19 will become 20 after estimating according to the general rule. Okay, then we have 47. 47's greatest place is tens. Okay, so our 47 is coming in between 40 and in 50. So where 47 is the nearest? Yes, 47 is nearest to 50. So 47 will changed into 50. 47 will changed into 50. Next we have 512. Its greatest place is ones, tens, 100. So 100 is the greatest place, so we will estimate it to the 100 place. 100 is the greatest place, so we will estimate it to the 100 place. 512 is coming in between 500 and 600. You can easily see from 500 we have to take only 12 steps. Okay, and from 600 we have to take 88 steps. So from 500 we have 512 is the nearest one. So 512 will changed into 500 according to the general rule. Lastly we have 4920. Its greatest place is ones, tens, 100, 1000. What is its greatest place? Yes, its greatest place is 1000. So it will estimate according to 1000 place. According to which place? According to 1000 place it will change. Okay. So 4920 is coming in between 4000 and 5000. From 4000 we have to take 920 steps to reach 4920. And from 5000 we have to take only 80 steps. Okay, to reach 4920. So our 4920 will changed into 5000 because from 5000 we have to take less steps. So here it is. So here we completed all the things, all the general things in the estimation. The exercise 1.3 for class 6th we will see in the next video. I hope you understood all these things. Thank you. If you like the video, please press like button.